Join Amazon Prime Music. Welcome to my channel. Today I will share with you my experience of using Amazon Prime Music and why you should join it. There are several reasons why you should consider joining an Amazon Music Prime subscription. Access to a vast library of music. With an Amazon Music Prime subscription, you have access to over 2 million songs, including new releases, popular hits, and timeless classics. Ad-free listening. An Amazon Music Prime subscription allows you to listen to music without any interruption from advertisement. Unlimited streaming. With an Amazon Music Prime subscription, you can stream as much music as you want, anytime and anywhere, on any devices that support the Amazon Music app. Exclusive content. As a Prime member, you have access to exclusive content including Prime playlist have Prime stations. Free trial. Amazon offers a free trial of Amazon Music Prime, so you can try out the service before committing to a subscription. Additional benefits. An Amazon Music Prime subscription also include access to other Amazon Prime benefits such as free 2-day shipping, streaming of movies, TV show and other content and more. Here are a few positive reviews of Amazon Music. I love Amazon Music. The selection is amazing and it's so convenient to be able to stream music on all of my devices. I also appreciate that I can download songs and playlists to listening to offline. I have been using Amazon Music for a few months now and I am extremely happy with it. The app is too easy to use and the sound quality is excellent. I also love the fact that I can access a huge library of songs and discover new artists. I have been using Amazon Music for a while now and I am extremely satisfied with the service. The selection of music is unparalleled and the app is very user friendly. I also appreciate the fact that I can listen to ad-free music and download songs to listen to offline. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link to join it the description box below. And thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for such a wonderful reviews.